News investigators are looking for answers after a house explosion rocked a Manawa neighborhood and left one man dead. Authorities say it happened around 8:45 yesterday morning on County Road T and County Road N. The Waupaca County Sheriff's Office has confirmed that one person was in the home at the time of the explosion. Neighbors believe the other people were at church at the time. The blast sent pieces of the home hundreds of feet away and even blew out windows of the homes next door.
As I was talking to my brother, I felt basically almost like somebody pushed me from behind as the explosion, or when the explosion went off. So it was at first thinking that somebody was messing around with fireworks or something on that order.
People who live as far as 12 miles away from the home said they could feel the force of the explosion. The person who died in the blast has not yet been publicly identified. The cause of the blast is under investigation.